Hi everybody, welcome to our channel.
Hi.
I'm Monique.
Hi, and I'm Will.
And we are living the good life RVing.
Yes.
And today we are taking our baby,
Yes.
the truck, to the shop.
Yes. We have a GMC 4-door, 4-wheel drive
Sierra 2500 Duramax diesel, and we're taking it to the shop today. We need to get a water pump, and that is something a little beyond my capabilities, but I could try, but I don't have the tools, so truck gotta go to the shop.
Yeah, she can do it because she's done brakes before.
And so the truck is going to the shop. We gotta spend the money and get it repaired. So come with us on our repair day. And these are some of the things that we'll probably encounter on our road trip and things like that. So we wonder, what do you do when your car breaks down? Where do you go, and what resources you use to find places to take your car? We'd like to hear about your adventures and what type of repairs you've had to do and what type of repairs you've had to take your car to when going to the shop. So let us know. What type of vehicle do you tow your RV with? Because our car, I'm pretty sure is suitable to tow the RV we choose when we choose it.
Right.
Yeah. So we're excited about RVing. We are wanting to make sure that this truck is in great shape when we leave.
Tip-top.
Tip-top shape. So follow us on our adventure. Here we go.
Here we go.
Okay, go.
Well, we were talking, and I was telling my wife how it's such a hard place to be when you got to depend on someone to repair your vehicle. It's
and you don't know where to go.
Yeah, you don't know where to go. You don't know if they're going to overcharge you or even do the job the proper way. So we feel that we found the right place to take it, and we're excited about it.
So if you're ever in the DeLand area in Florida,
yes,
we recommend AMCO. They do a lot of repairs, not only just transmission repairs. And AMCO has been very honest with us in our repairs. I usually diagnose the problem before I take it there and know exactly what I need to get done. But they've never steered wrong from what we've needed to repair. And their prices are very reasonable when we call around to find out. So, AMCO it is.
Yep, that's where we're heading. AMCO Transmissions and Repairs.
In DeLand. Let's turn in. It got the little sign. Hey guys, we're here at AMCO. We're going to pick up our car. Our truck is done. We're so excited. We're going to get our truck back. All right, we're going to go inside.
Yeah.
All right, we got our truck back. We are back rolling. It did cost us a pretty penny, but AMCO took care of us, and they always do an amazing job at the AMCO in DeLand. So that is where we take our truck to get fixed. Right now we're back on the road, and we're going to start putting out videos, so you're going to check us out. But our first one, of course, is this one, which is a needed repair to our vehicle in order for us to be full-time RVers. So, let's go on this little journey. Getting our baby some new tires. If you're ever in the Daytona area in Florida and you need tires, it's affordable tires at the flea market in Daytona Beach, Florida.
Friday, I got a load of tires coming in Friday, and trying to find another.
Affordable tires. They carry RV tires.
A pair of Coopers.
Live the good life.
And living the dream.
Please like and subscribe and follow us on YouTube.